Good morning, class. It's time for math. Today you will need lesson 2 problem set, and on the back side should be another lesson 2 problem set. Again, this is in module 5, so we are moving on to some kind of new concepts, but I know that we've already kind of talked about this in class, so the kids should be just fine with this. And go ahead and share my screen. Okay. Again, I think this should still be pretty easy for the kids. This is the part of where for the parents, kind of the wording that Eureka Math uses might start to sound a little bit different to you, okay? But they just want to make sure that the kids know when they're talking about the number 12, that they want to see that they can break that down into 10 ones and then 2 more ones, okay? I'll still say 12, but when we're breaking it down, we want them to see, to help with place values, they continue to move on in school, that they can see that, you know, we have ones and then we have tens, and then you can add some of those ones to the tens. So our first page here, I have my name and I have the date on it. And up here, they kind of give an example. It says I have 10 ones and 2 ones. So it says touch and count 10 things. Put a check over each one as you count 10 things. Okay, so we're just going to put a check on until 10. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then if you want to underline or circle, or you don't have to do anything, but just to kind of show that's different. So I have 10 ones. There's my 10. And they're in nice groups of 5. So that's a nice 10 frame right there. And the kids know when we put things in a nice order like this and keep them organized, that's called an array. Okay. So I have 10 ones and then I have 3 ones. And if your child wants to practice writing 13 off to the side, that is fine. Okay. All right. Let's do this one. We're going to count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And then I'll go ahead and circle these this time just for something different. I have 10 ones and 2 ones. So I have 12, which is 10 ones plus 2. Okay. So down here, they have to say how many ones they have, like 10 ones. And then they have to tell how many they have extra. Okay. So again, for us adults, that might seem kind of different from the way we learned it, but that's how our math program teaches it. On the back side, they just want them to draw pictures. So this time, instead of doing the counting, they're going to have them draw the pictures. So the first one says I have 10 small circles and 2 small circles. I know that some of the pictures on here were not all in order, but when the kids are drawing their own pictures, I like them to put them in, try to keep them organized, because I know as math gets harder, the more organized you are, the better. So I like them to put them in the groups of 5, so I can see 5, 10. I know easily that that's my 10 ones, okay? And then the 2 small circles would be 2 ones, okay? They don't have to write this on the side. I just did that so you could see. I started this one down here. I have 10 ones and 4 ones. They don't have to do squares. They can do circles. So I just started with 5 squares, and then I'd like them to do 5 more, and then the 4 there. Okay, if they want to write 12 here and 14 there, just to get in the practice of that, that would be great. Okay, before we go today, let me stop my sharing of my screen. I'd like to count with the kids by 10s to 100. I hope that they're counting by ones. I hope they're still practicing that. So kids, here we go with me. We're counting by 10s to 100. Ready? And show me your fingers. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yay. And then I guess I didn't bring my cards home that show the teens numbers, which are some of the most important ones. I have 0 through 10, and then I have 21 through 30. I'll have to try to make some cards for in between. But here we have some number cards. I'm going to hold them up, and I want you to shout out what it is. Are you ready? I can't hear you. And look close at this next one. This one's 21, not 12. Okay, I bet a couple of you said 12. 21. Remember, when that 2 comes in the front, it starts with 20. Okay, and then just 24, 25, 21. Okay, all right, guys, have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.